Today we're going to be drawing the three-view drawing orthographic projection. We've already done this as a isometric and an oblique. Now we're going to draw it as a three-view drawing. The first step is to draw the front view. Now the front view is this part right in here, and actually this little part right here. So I need to draw that front view. I'm going to pick a point to start, and that's right here. And this is 3 tall here by 5 long. I start in the corner down here. I'll go 3 tall, and I'll go 5 long for these 2 lines. Now this one comes across 3, then down 2, then over 2, and over. So I have this part done. Now the next thing you have to do is this space behind here is also part of the front view. And this is 2 tall here, so it's 1 block over and right straight across. Now when you look at that, it's as if you're looking at right straight on. You do not ever show these shaded pieces in here. These end up just being a line. It's right straight on. Okay? So there's my front view, and I'm going to label it front. Right there. I'm going to do the top view now. Now the top view, it's like we're looking right straight down at it. Okay? And I'm going to pick a corner, probably right here, that matches up. I'm going to go 2 squares, have some distance between, and I'm going to do the top view. Well, this top part right here is 3 by 3 by 3. So I'm just going to make that part right here, 3 by 3 by 3. Notice that these line up right here, and that's important. Then, the top view, I got to draw this part right in here. Okay? Well, that line's straight across. Finally, I have to draw these 3 squares right here. I'll get my hand out of the way. These 3 squares right here. Okay? And that one comes right here. Now how I'm going to grade this is this lines up, this lines up, this lines up, and this lines up. Oh, that's kind of large. But that is the side view. Okay? Give you a little. That's more like it because it has no angles in it. I'm going to come over 2 squares and start. And I'm going to start with this spot right here. Okay? This is 2 squares. 1, 2. I got this plane done. There's this one. It's 3 here and 2. Kind of like that. And then finally, there's these 2 right here. So there I have this part done. Now the next one I'm going to draw is the angle one. You guys want a chance to finish this one up? Okay, I'll pause it. Now, let's draw this second one. This one has an angle on it, and so it's a little bit more difficult, but it's not too bad. Again, I will pick a corner, this one, and I'll start down here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3. Now notice up here it has an angle in it too. I'm just going to come across like this 2, and I'm going to come up here. This is 3, and it has just a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, and just a little bit. I got this plane done for the front view. Then this view. Well, this view is going to start right here, and it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This comes up 1. And then that angle comes right down like that. Okay? So here's the front view for this. The top view. The top view, I go 2 spaces up. I start right here. I have a space between. It's going to start in that corner. This is 2 by 3. 2. That's 3 by 2. Notice that this angles line up. Oh, I made a mistake. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Bum, bum, bum. So, this comes down to here. Over. And that slide looks like this. So the slide starts to come down right here in this part, and then goes all the way down right there. And this lines up, this lines up, this lines up, and this lines up. Okay? Here's the top. Now I'm going to do the side, and its side view comes like this. I'm going to start at this point right here for the side view. Again, I start a little distance away. I'll do the first step, which is 3 up and 2 over. 3 up, and I think it's just a little bit more, and 2 over. I got this done. There's this square right here for this square. Now for the slide. This slide part, which you can see here, is like 1 square up and comes down. This part lines up. Okay? The slide is kind of complicated because it's in both the top view and the side view because it's at an angle. So here's the side. I'll pause and let you finish. So everyone's finished here, and that's really cool. Now I'm going to take Mario's, here's Mario's notebook, and I'm going to go all the way to the back, and I'm going to find this page right here. Okay? Now notice it is really back there. It's like, what, 2 pages from the end? Okay? So find this page right here. Now this is a straight up matching. Okay? I have the isometric at the top, And at the bottom, I have the 3-view drawing. Well, it's kind of complicated, I gotta say. Okay? And so I look at it and try and figure out which one is which. Well, I've shaded the front view here. And so I kind of look and see where the front view. Well, the front view is a full block and has these 3. This one has 3, 1, 2, 3, and has the full block for the front view. I look from the top, and it has this cutout. Here's the cutout. And here's this for this. Well, I'm going to say 1 is E. Okay? And then I'll cross out this one. Okay? And then I'm going to go to this one. Well, here's the front view right here. It has 2 spaces. Well, this has 2 spaces. But it has a cut like that. That one wouldn't work. That has the cut, but this has 3 spaces. You know where I think it is? I think it's this one. From here, 1, let's see, 1, 2. There. Top view is this, and 2. Yeah, so that's H. H is done. All right, now, so you need to do all the matching right now. Okay? And we'll grade it at the end of the hour. That's it.